Hi and what's up? I hope you're doing fine. I am doing fantastic because I'm going to be showing you how to make hot dog. Hot dog is a favorite in my house and I love making and exploring with new flavors each time. So I hope you stay tuned until the end of the video and you will surely learn a thing or two. Yeah. So we're going to start off by boiling our hot dogs in our pot. I have some boiling water over here. It is super boiling. So I'm going to place my hot dogs in the pan and we are going to boil them for 1 to 2 minutes. So the next step, I'm going to be showing you how to make our coleslaw. Yeah. So I have my cabbage over here. I'm going to place this in my bowl. Next, I'm going to place my red cabbage. Some carrots. So I've grated the carrots. Then I'm going to squeeze in 1 whole lemon. If you have a large lemon, you can use half of it. Next, I'm going to add a pinch or a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Just need a little. Half or a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, depends on the amount of cabbage you're using. Don't add too much if you're using a little. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. White vinegar. I'm eyeballing, but I need a tablespoon of vinegar. Then I'm going to use a spoon and mix together all my ingredients. My slaw has a kick of sourness from the lemon and vinegar, and also it has a kick of sweetness from the cabbage and the carrots. So the combination of the ingredients is going to make the slaw very yummy. Don't forget to season your slaw. So my slaw is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Then I'm going to clear my table a little bit. Check on my hot dogs and they are ready. It's been 2 minutes and my hot dogs are ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And then over here I have a pan, a grill pan, and it's already hot, so I'm going to transfer my hot dogs onto the pan. Just like that. So we're going to wait for our hot dogs to grill, and then I'm going to grill my buns. Yeah, my buns are already sliced, as you can see, so it's easy peasy. My hot dogs are ready, so I'm going to keep them aside. Then I'm going to grill my buns. So you can apply butter on your buns, but I choose to toast them plain. My buns are ready, so I'm going to pick them up, place them on my plates. See the way they're gorgeous. Then I'm going to switch off the heat and leave the hot dogs in the pan. I was just talking about how I'm going to do a TikTok video. Very exciting. So to my buns, I'm going to add ketchup, then mustard, On to the next step. So my hot dogs, as you can see, they are very plumped up. Then next I'm going to top with my coleslaw. This is it, people. If you're feeling lazy and you have all the ingredients in your kitchen, make sure you make this hot dog because it is super delicious. So also don't forget to refrigerate the coleslaw because it's going to be so good while chilled. So thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and I hope you try this hot dog recipe at home.